Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Diplexer for an extra view. A Diplexer is a clever device that combines or splits signals from different frequency ranges, like your antenna and satellite. This allows two distinct signals to travel over a single coaxial cable, saving you the hassle and expense of running new wires. It's a fantastic solution for adding an additional viewing point in your home with minimal effort. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary equipment. You'll need two Diplexers, one to combine your signals at the source and another to split them at your extra viewing location. It's crucial to ensure your chosen Diplexers are compatible with the frequency ranges of both your antenna and satellite signals. Additionally, have your coaxial cables and F-type connectors ready for a smooth setup. Now, let's walk through the installation process. First, connect your antenna and satellite lines to the designated inputs on your first Diplexer, which will combine the signals. Next, run a single coaxial cable from the output of this Diplexer to your desired second viewing location. At that spot, connect the single cable to the input of your second Diplexer, then attach your television and satellite receiver to its separate outputs. By following these steps, you've successfully created an extra viewing point using a Diplexer. This method is incredibly efficient, leveraging your existing coaxial infrastructure to deliver both antenna and satellite signals to another room. It results in a clean, organized installation without the need for extensive rewiring. Remember to always check your signal strength after connecting everything to ensure you're getting the best possible picture and sound quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.